Yo, what's up everybody? It's been a minute since I've been out here with the Helion 10. So here we are. First off, I got the Insta360 on there just for a little tribute to the new Avata 360 coming along. I mean, 360 stuff kind of seems to be taking over, but FPV and 360 kind of are different deals. So yeah, we'll get more into that later when I actually get my hands on the Avata 360, hopefully eventually. I see they're up on pre-order on eBay. Amazon doesn't have them yet, so we'll see what happens after the 26th of March with that. But this is about the iFlight Helion 10. I'm gonna go up here to this massive rock formation behind me. I'm out here near Foxton, Colorado, and I'm gonna do it first with the 360 camera, and then I'll slap the GoPro on there, the Hero 13, and kind of dance around up there with that. So really nice out here right now, pretty calm winds. So no further ado, let's do it. All right, since it's so dusty on the ground, I decided to take it off from the back of my truck here. Real careful like. Okay. That should be good to go. I'll be sitting over here in my infamous pilot's chair. Okay, start the recording on the drone now. Make sure I'm in air mode. And we'll just go fly around up here. Hopefully there's not too much wind up there. It seems pretty calm down here. Kind of hang close to the ground going up there. We have an aircraft flying over, so let me keep low. Now, hopefully I don't get any signal loss up here. Or even weak signal. Climb up here and play around with these rocks for a minute. Go in between here. Oh, top anyway. That's pretty good. Let's go back for one more. And we'll take the GoPro up here after a bit. I want to go kind of through this. I'm not going to go completely through it because I don't know how wide it is. Yeah, I'm going to go kind of right at the peak of it. There we go. Wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad at all. All right, I'm gonna bring her on and catch it, and then we'll do the Hero 13 after I charge a couple of batteries here. There you go. Sometimes it's easier to catch it when it's high up because you get a chance to think about what you're doing. All right, let me charge some batteries and Hero 13 next. Stay tuned. Here we go. Let's go. Skim the river again and call it good. Fantastic flight up there. I'm happy with that. So one thing about the DJI drones, I would have never really actually got this Helion 10 if the DJI didn't have a height limiter on these mountains. Main reason why I got that. But this thing is incredible, and it's good to get experience with real FPVs. I haven't really done this kind of flying with the Helion 10 here. Ripping close. It's kind of fun, but it's nerve-wracking because it's so freaking fast. All right, that's enough. Bring her in for a landing. There we go. All right. Beautiful. GoPro, stop recording. Appreciate it, guys. I'm done. Peace.